Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing the common causes of bleeding during having sexual intercourse and how to fix it. So bleeding during sexual intercourse is also known as postcoital bleeding, and this can be uncomfortable and challenges for both partners. So in this video, I'll be discussing some common causes of the bleeding during sexual intercourse and the steps that you can take to address the issue. So before we jump into the video, if it's the first time you are watching our video on this platform, please support us and subscribe to this YouTube channel and the click notification bell so that you will be informed whenever we drop something new on this YouTube channel. So now without any further ado, let's get into details. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. Like I said in the beginning of this video, today I'll be talking about common causes of bleeding during having sexual intercourse and how to fix it. So make sure you watch this video up to the end because bleeding during sexual intercourse is one of the problems that is affecting couples worldwide. So the common causes number one of bleeding during having sexual intercourse is due to vaginal dryness. So this can be happening due to the lack of arousal before sexual intercourse. This is happening due to the correction that is happening during sexual intercourse. If you want to address the issue, so I want you to use a water-based lubricant before sexual intercourse. Also tell your partner to be taking things gently. Also avoid doing a rushing during sexual intercourse. By doing this can help to prevent the bleeding during sexual intercourse if you are having a vaginal dryness. Another possible causes of bleeding in the vagina is vaginal infections. There is a lot of health conditions that can cause a bleeding while having sexual intercourse, which include vaginal yeast infections, bacterial vaginosis, and trichomoniasis. So this health condition can inflame and irritate the vaginal lining, which can lead to bleeding during having sexual intercourse. If you suspect that you are having a vaginal infection which makes you to be having a bleeding during having sexual intercourse, so it is important to consult your healthcare provider for better diagnosis and treatment, which involve use of antibiotic and the antifungal. It can help you to cure the infection within a short period of time. Sexual transmitted infections can also cause bleeding during having sexual intercourse, including chlamydia, syphilis, gonorrhea, and so on. You know, this kind of sexual transmitted infections or sexual transmitted diseases can inflame and irritate the cervical walls, which lead to bleeding during having sexual intercourse. Best way to prevent this from happening is practice safe sex by using a condom, diaphragm, or dental dam during having sexual intercourse to prevent a genital contact with your partner. Because you know, most of the people that are having a sexual transmitted infections, they are asymptomatic, meaning that they don't have any signs and symptoms. So by practicing a safe sex can help to prevent yourself from having this kind of sexual transmitted infections. So if you want to know more about sexual transmitted infections and how to prevent yourself, so kindly check in the description below. I have dropped a link on my video where I have talked about how to prevent yourself from having a sexual transmitted infections and how to practice safe sex. So make sure you check in the description below and enjoy this video. Cervical polyps are another common causes of bleeding during having sexual intercourse. You know, the cervical polyps are small growths on the wall of the cervix which lead to bleeding during having sexual intercourse. So if you are experiencing bleeding during having sexual intercourse and if you are suspecting it is happening due to cervical polyps, so kindly visit your healthcare provider for better management. Also, uterine polyps are one of the another causes of bleeding during having sexual intercourse. The uterine polyps are the small growths in the uterus which lead to the bleeding during having sexual intercourse. And sometimes the uterine polyps are not showing any signs and symptoms. If you suspect that you are having a bleeding due to having a uterine polyp, so it is important to speak with your healthcare provider for management. Finally, bleeding during sexual intercourse can be caused by the uterine or cervical cancer. These are one of the most common causes of bleeding during having sexual intercourse. So it is important to speak with your healthcare provider if you are having a bleeding during having sexual intercourse or if you notice any kind of unusual bleeding. So whatever kind of bleeding you are having during having sexual intercourse, just speak with your healthcare provider, because bleeding during having sexual intercourse is a signal that shows that you are having a problem in your body. During people get their early detection and the treatment, it is a key to successful recovery. So here we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful and educative, so make sure you like this video and comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video to your family and friends. See you next video.